y'all? New year, new facial routine. I got some magnet mud mask from e.l.f. e.l.f. or something. Let's go. Let's do it. What do you mean?
Oh, wow.
Okay, you're just rubbing it off?
Look at that.
So it just pulls all that off my face?
Yeah, look at your face. Wow.
It looks like my face. Yeah, look at that.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
That's actually kind of cool.
Kind of. That's really cool. Easy cleanup.
Wow.
Whoa.
I was skeptical when it says don't use water. Let's look at this. Let's look at the little wand or whatever that's called.
Ugh.
Bunch of iron filings. That's cool. All right. Wow.
My gosh.
Good golly. So I put it over my really troubled areas. So like my biggest area that I have a lot of blackheads is over my zygoma. And I don't have much on my forehead, but I figured, we should try it out, yeah?
Wow, cool.
Wow.
I just got everything.
Mm-hmm.
As it leaves streaks.
That's fine.
I wonder if I can get it on.
I doubt there's any magnet on the back. Yeah, there's no magnet.
But I can move the bag around.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really hard.
Yeah, so there's a bag. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's encasing the...
Oh, it's trying to get your glasses, I think.
That's fine. Let it get the glasses.
Okay, that's about as well as I can do.
Okay.
But still.
All right. So once again, iron filings. Looking cool. Now flip it on its side. Yeah, there we go. Let's get a real